Hey YouTube, well this is my first video of 2016. I'm going to do a little bit of a bike check for you all and show you my current setup. But firstly I just want to thank my sponsors, JC Clothing Co, Radio Bikes, BMX International, the Red Frogs Board Riders. These guys support me so well, they look after me amazingly and they're kind of like little families. So it's awesome to be a part of these guys again for 2016 and I'm really looking forward to what we can do this whole year. So the main thing firstly is my frame. I'm running the Radiostar frame. It's really low and responsive, which is a different thing for me because I usually run really high and long frames, but this is also a 21 still. So it's still nice and long, but it's a bit lower, which takes some getting used to, but it feels really cool. I'm running the radio bars as well. I just love the feel. I haven't even cut these ones down, which is different for me because I usually cut them down. So they're the Radio Race bars. They're like 29 wide, 29 high, which is really high and really wide for me, and I'm just loving the feel of them as well. Running the radio stem as well. It's got this really cool custom blue to black finish on it, and you can actually just buy them like that. And I believe they've actually got a green and black coming out as well, which looks so cool. Just an Odyssey headset, Odyssey R25 forks. I'm running a G-Sport Burkage rim with a G-Sport Simeon hub on the front with the G-Sport hub guards. We the People peg on the left, Odyssey rifle on the right, same on back with the pegs. This rad radio tripod seat, just running a tripod seat pole there as well. The Radiostar E Crank, the 22 mils. I'm loving them. Like usually I bend cranks really fast because I'm kind of heavy and, you know, doing the sort of tricks that I do. Tend to put a lot of weight and stress on the cranks in the sprocket, and these things have been awesome. I've been running them for a couple of months and they've not skipped a beat. The standard Salt Plus pedal, I love these pedals. Like they're sealed metal pedals and they never fail. Like they're always grippy, never really slippery. I'm running an E-Clat bottom bracket, Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket, G-Sport ribcage back rim, Odyssey Anti-Gram hub, which I'm actually really loving. I haven't made the jump to a free coaster yet, but I'm really enjoying this hub. It's really responsive, it's really tough, and it's been lasting really well. It's also got a really nice sound to it, which I really enjoy. I'm running Odyssey Dugan tyres as well, and they're really nice and grippy, which I'm loving. They're a bit different to what I usually run. I usually like to do a lot of tyre slides, and these things grip really well, so it's actually saved me a few times on metal ramps, which is cool. Just running Rayford grips and par ends as well. Yeah, and that's my setup.